Hey guys, so today I did a thing. My client got her very first color ever before. So I popped her color cherry, and guys, she picked an amazing color, and I just brought it to life, her vision. And guys, it came out so well. And she got a full color today, a dimensional color, which means she has a two-tone ombre. And she got a protein treatment, she got a steam treatment, she got her ends trimmed, a silk press and curled. And this is just me flat ironing her hair. Guys, I had so much fun doing this color today, and I think she enjoys it a lot. So for now, we can just watch the rest of the video.